Hello, word listeners, and welcome back. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a fantastic word. Our word of the day is balanced, a B2 level adjective meaning evenly distributed or steady. So, what does balanced really mean? Well, it describes something that's in a state of equilibrium, where different elements are equal or in proper proportion. Think of a seesaw perfectly level. That's a great example of balanced. Now, let's look at some synonyms. We have even, like the team had an even chance of winning, and we also have steady, like she has a steady income from her work. These words convey a sense of stability and equal distribution, just like balanced. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. We have uneven, which you might use in a sentence like, the floor was uneven and difficult to walk on. Another antonym is unstable, for example, the table was unstable and wobbled a lot. These words show the opposite of being balanced. They imply imbalance or a lack of steadiness. In everyday life, you might hear someone say, he maintains a balanced diet, or she has a very balanced approach to life. You could also say, it's important to achieve a balanced work life. We can use the word in sentences like, the artist created a balanced composition, or she sought a balanced view on the issue. You might even hear phrases like, keep a balanced perspective or a well-balanced meal. And that's our word for today. We covered the meaning of balanced, explored synonyms like even and steady, and saw how it contrasts with antonyms like uneven and unstable. We also discussed how it's used in everyday life. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about balance today, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show. We would love to see how you can use balanced, so create your own sentence about balanced and share it as a comment below this video.
See you next time.